Now to frightening moments at Fisherman's Landing this morning. 4 crew members were found unresponsive aboard a fishing boat this morning. Police say that they may have overdosed on fentanyl. And as our ABC 10 News reporter Jennifer Dela Cruz explains, they were just an hour away from taking passengers out to sea.
Narcotics agents are investigating after 4 crew members were found unconscious from a drug overdose on the Shogun charter fishing boat. The boat was docked at the time, but police say if it was out at sea, the situation would have been much worse. Narcotics and hazmat crews sweeping the Shogun fishing boat for traces of fentanyl Thursday morning. Harbor police finding 4 crew members unconscious from a drug overdose while the ship was docked at Fisherman's Landing. First responders administered Narcan to the victims, which helps counteract opioids, but they're still investigating exactly what drugs were taken.
So if there is any fentanyl on board the vessel, the entire vessel will have to be swept, cleaned by the hazardous materials team to make sure that there's none on board, because it's very lethal in very small quantities.
According to the company's website, the Shogun has been operating sport fishing charters since 1989. Their schedule shows they had just returned from a 2-day charter with 30 people on board at 6 a.m. The anonymous 911 call came in around 9 o'clock. The boat was set to depart with a new group of 28 passengers just 1 hour later. Harbor police say other crew members were on board at the time, but no paying passengers. The Shogun website also profiles the ship's captains. It is unclear whether or not they are part of the group that overdosed. People passing by Thursday morning stressing safety should always be #1 priority on the water.
But as the captain of the vessel, it's your ultimate responsibility to maintain safety for the people on board.
People should know that when they're getting on any kind of public transportation, that they've entrusted their well-being to a competent person.
We reached out to the Shogun Charter Company, but they declined to comment. Jennifer Dela Cruz, ABC 10 News.